Welcome and welcome back to my channel Embracing Life. In this channel, we do videos related to budgeting, cash stuffing, sinking funds, saving challenges and a lot more. So if you are interested in watching such contents, then stick around and please do consider subscribing to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to do the cash stuffing for the month of May. So let's see how much cash we have here. So firstly, I will be using placeholders again. So the first one is 5,000 rupees and two 2,000 rupees placeholders. So 5,000, 9,000 rupees, 9,500, 10,000 rupees. So this was 10,000, 500, 1,500, 2, 500, 3, 5, 4, 500, 5,000, 5, 6, 5, 7, 5, 8, 5, 9, 5, 20,000. This is 20,000. 521, 522, 523. So in total we are going to stuff 23,000 rupees. But instead of stuffing everything in cash, I will be using some placeholders as well. Okay, so let's begin with my purse here. So in my purse I have these mini envelopes that I carry, and before stuffing, let me just unstuff the purse, these mini envelopes, and let me see how much I have left from the previous month. So for eating out, let's see, we have 200 rupees in eating out. Let's keep it here. Eating out is done. Next is fun. From fun, I have 500 rupees. Okay, travel doesn't have anything. And lastly, miscellaneous, I didn't use anything. So miscellaneous also has another 500 rupees. So in total, I have 500, 1,000, 200, 400. So 1,400 rupees, which is really a good amount that has been saved from the last month. So these were the mini envelopes that I have been using for a long time now, and I was also using this when I used to carry a wallet, and I have to say that these are really in very good quality. None of them has any tear or wear and tear with them. So these are really good quality, and they are very pretty also. As you can see, they are still shiny and everything. But I would as you all know that I love to change things every now and then. So right now I won't be using this one. Instead I will be using dividers. So let me show you. Let me keep these aside for now. And these dividers, these are called dividers. I will be using this. So this is even easier for me to carry money in my purse. And these are very pretty as well. I have got them in these lavender shades. Isn't this gorgeous? I really love them, and they turned out pretty well. So let's use these instead. Okay, so first one, since I will be putting it backwards, let's put the first one, that is going to be miscellaneous. For miscellaneous I will be putting 500 rupees. Let me use this one and replace this with this one. So for miscellaneous I will be putting 500 rupees. Then for travel I will be putting 1,000 rupees. So here's 500, another 500. This is going to be for travel. And for dine out, I have actually budgeted 3,000 rupees, but I am not going to put the whole 3,000 rupees here. I will put the rest of the 2,000 rupees in my binder. You all know by now. And for fun, I am not keeping the money here because I don't usually use the fun money. So I will be putting that in my binder altogether. Whenever I will require it, I will just take it in maybe the mini envelopes and then I will use it. So like this, I have put this money in the in my purse, and now easily I can just look for the category and I can just take out the money. So from dining out, I will be taking out the money here, and even if I have some change or something, it's going to stay separated because these dividers are really long. So like this I will be using this, and I think this is going to be even easier than the mini envelopes. Let's see. So let me see, let's give this a try. Okay, so let me move this here. So these were the mini envelopes that I am not using right now. Just keep them here. Okay, so next, moving along, let's start with the low priority sinking funds, the pink binder. Let's see. So okay, I didn't replace it. Let me replace it. So for eating out, the remaining 2000 rupees will go here. 500, 1000, 500, 2000 rupees. So this is for eating out. And next, for entertainment, this is where my fun money is going to be kept. And this is a marble color, marble print envelope, and it's pretty. Okay, giving is going to get a 500 rupees, and let's see, giving has some money. In total, giving has 500, 600, 700, 850. Next, for Hustle is also going to get 500 rupees. And for the sake of saving time, I have already pre-filled the trackers. So let's move on to shopping. Shopping is going to get 2000 rupees. So here is 500, 1000, 500, 2000 rupees. Let me move it this way. It's easier like this. So 2000 rupees in shopping envelope. So here's 2000. I have already used up so much still. Wardrobe is going to get 500 rupees because wardrobe also I have actually used up the money. Sorry. So wardrobe is going to get 500 rupees this time. Self-care is going to get 1500 rupees. So take 500, 1000, 1500. And it already has some money. Let's see how much total it has. Self-care has 500, 1000, 500, 2000, 50, 60, 70, 80, 2080 in self-care. Next, subscription is going to get a 500, and let's see how much subscription has. 500, 1000, 500, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So 2900 rupees in subscriptions. Okay, for splurge, what I have decided is I am planning to buy a new iPad or a laptop. I have not decided yet which one, but I would like to save for that, and therefore, and since this is going to be a big amount, I would like to save it online only. Like I would like to keep the money in my account only. I will just be keeping a track here through this savings challenge sheet. So let's see, it has got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 30 icons, and I would like to keep this target of 60,000. So each laptop is going to be 2000 rupees basically. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to keep a track of this. Let me just put it here. So each laptop is going to be 2000 rupees. So the total amount is 60,000 rupees. And the start date, I have actually started this previously also. I am saving this since January. So let me write down the date. Not since January, I think it's since last year's September I have been starting this. So let's write September till now. Let me color. Do not fall. And I am not going to deposit any particular amount in any particular month. I will just be keeping it random, and I will try to save the amount as it is feasible for me. So till now, let me color in these, and then I'll save. So I have colored in the icons, and I won't be stuffing 2000 per icon. I will be stuffing 1000 per icon, because 60,000 rupees is going to be a lot. So I will be keeping a target of 30,000 rupees. So this when this sheet is completed, I will be having 30,000 rupees for this challenge. So this is going to be my laptop challenge or iPad. I don't know which one I'm gonna buy, but let's it be. And I don't have to hurry, because I don't think in this year I will buy this. If this gets completed, I can buy in this year, but let's see. There is no need of hurrying into this. So this is what is going to be in my splurge envelope. Next, for date night is going to get another 1000 rupees. So let's see, date night has 2000 rupees in the bank. 2500, 3500, 4000 rupees. So date night has 4000 rupees in it. Next is rent. Rent is going to get 500 only this month, because I need to put funds towards another envelope, which I need more than this rent right now. So in rent currently I have 5000, 2000, 7000 in bank and 500. So the total is 7500 in rent. Okay. And next, in 1 month ahead also I will be putting in 500 rupees, and total, let's see, 1 month ahead has 500, 1000, 500, 2000 rupees. And let me just exchange this one for 2000 rupees. 2000 rupees placeholder. Wow, this looks nice. Okay. And investments, as I keep on saying, investments are very important, and for me, I'm going to get 2000 rupees for my investments. That's 500, 1000, 500, 2000 rupees. And this, lastly, it's back to bank. So this is my low priority sinking funds binder. Oh, and before I move on, one of my customers who ordered this binder, she was the one to show me one thing that I really didn't know before. So she pointed out that instead of putting this charm here, there's actually a place in these binders to put those charms. In the cover, if you can see, there's a tiny little circular piece here. Is it visible? So instead of that, I can actually pop this one out and put the charm there. Let me just try. Yes, see? This is the tiny hole that I have. So actually this is the place where we can put all the charms that we want to. So this is a really good feature for this binder. I didn't know. It was one of my customers who told me about this. So thanks a lot for this. Let me try and put it through this one. And wow, this is really good. And it's done. Wow, look at that. Nice. That was a really good information about this. Moving along to the next one, which is the high priorities binder. I will do this one later. Same goes for this also. Even this binder has the same thing. Okay, so let's move on to the high priorities funds. Starting with Life Happens. Life Happens is going to get 500 rupees. And So Life Happens now has 1500 rupees in it. And medical is also going to get a 500 rupees, and I am out of 500 rupees notes here. Let's see. Medical has 500, 1000, 500, 2000 rupees. So I'm gonna exchange this one for another 2000 rupees placeholder. So medical has 2000 rupees in it. Next is personal. Personal is fully funded. It has got 10,000 rupees in it, and it's in my bank, so it has been replaced with these two placeholders, indicating that I have 10,000 rupees in this envelope. Next is travel. Travel is going to get 3,000 rupees. So I don't have 3,000 rupees, I only have 2,000 rupees, but it's actually going to get 3,000 rupees. And earlier also I had 3,000 rupees. Let's see. 500, 1000, 500, 2000, 500, 3000. So instead of putting in another 3,000 rupees, which is going to be 6,000 rupees, I will be putting in this placeholder of 5,000 rupees and 1,000. So I'm going to put back this 2,000 rupees back right here. So travel has 5,000 in bank, 5,500, 6,000 rupees in travel. For vacations, I am not putting in anything right now. Vacations already has some money. Let me just give it a count. So this is the sheet that I am using for vacations, tracking vacations, and it has got 5,000 in bank, 5,500, 6,000, 500, 7,000 rupees in vacations. Even I can change this, but let's keep it. I don't have any other placeholders, so let it be. Next, parents is going to get 2,000 rupees. So 5,000, 1,000, 500, 1,000, 500, 2,000 rupees. Let's see how much parents has. So in parents we have 500, 1,000, 500, 2,000, 100, 200, 300, 320, 340, 350 rupees. So 2,350. Next, for gifts is going to get 1,000 rupees. And let me see, gifts has gifts has 2,000 rupees, 2,500, 3,000, 110. So 3,110. Oops. In gifts. Festivals is going to get 500 rupees because I am putting in 500 rupees every month until October, because that's the time when we have the festivals, Durga Puja and all. So 2,000 in the bank, 2,500, 3,000, 3,500 in festivals. And lastly, for my birthday, this is also the same thing, and the last 500 rupees is going to go for my birthday. So my birthday has 2,000, 2,500, 3,000, 500, 4,000 rupees in my birthday. Let me color in this one real quick. So here is 4,000 rupees. Let me see. 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4. 4,000 rupees in my birthday. Okay, so with this we come to the end of our cash stuffing for the month of May. I really hope you like this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you guys in my next video, which is going to be savings challenge for the month of May. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.